politicians, isn't it? Okay. Politicians take steps like this. I'll show you one of them after that. So many times life is like this picture. You have resources, but you make poor decisions. What happens? No, they understood. They already gave me an acknowledgement. Okay. So this is what happens in our political scenario. Okay. So it's a trickle-down effect. Any fund that is allotted, what is the commoner getting is this percentage, isn't it? So therefore, look at the Chennai politicians trying to stop evaporation from that lake water, which is with thermocol sheet, they are trying to block evaporation. Okay, so don't expect anything from our rulers. We move on to another state, where they are also stopping the evaporation. How? They have the solar canals. The canal water going to Punjab farmers' fields is blocked evaporation with the solar panels. And that's something traditional wisdom with which they can stop. But our water problem is fast becoming a hunger problem because we need it for agriculture, the largest. Okay? So, our agricultural practices, like that picture you remember, ours is always a open field, filling the water and then doing the cultivation. If you have monsoon God to bless you with that, fine enough. But we'll have to move on. Either this is the summer crop in Bengal. You see, look at the number of falls. So we have to go towards the right orientation of following Israel. Israel got the lowest rainfall. They lack only the Sea of Galilee. That water is used throughout the year by drip irrigation method. Okay? So as much that we require, that much. We'll have to choose the crop carefully. What is our crop maximum? Water intensive crops. Which districts? Where you have got water deficit districts. So look at this example. Sugarcane requires 1200 millimeter rainfall per year. But which area we are cultivating, you see? Hectares that we go into. Do we go for dry irrigation practices? That may help us. Drip irrigation practices. Next, anything free, Sarkar ka cheez, chhod do free, open, isn't it? We have to charge. The day we are charged, we will feel the pinch of it. So there are corporations which are charging for you size the water. Monthly water bills matters. Water war situation is occurring. This is one example of center deciding to stop India's share of water flowing to Pakistan from the Jhelum River, Indus River. And if you look at the history, there is a water war history taking place. It's not land, it's not religion that matters. It is water that matters. Look at Israel versus Lebanon, Wazani River, Turkey versus Syria, Tigris, Euphrates, India versus Nepal, Mahakali, India versus Bangladesh, Ganges, Punjab versus Haryana, Silk Canal, Tamil Nadu versus Kerala, Bhavani River, Tamil Nadu versus Karnataka, which you are used to, Kaveri River, West Bengal versus Bihar, Tanugat Dam. So, look at the Kaveri ration card details. How many trillion cubic meter was allowed and how much we are into now. Next is our treated water going waste. This is a scenario, treated water going waste. So, what is the alternative? The world is practicing some methods, that's what I want to show. In India, we had a success story by the Magsaysay Award winner. That's all, two more. The Magsaysay Award winner from Rajasthan, through Tarun Bhagat, he made a perennial river in the Rajasthan desert. So that's one success story. Next success story is what we are to go into, rainwater harvesting. This is a Japanese success story where they use the wastewater into the cistern, which will do as a flush tank activity. It's the Brussels airport where they are using dry urinals where no water is used, and that's how they are saving 250 liters of water, valuable water. This is waterless urinals in London. When I was going through the tube there, okay, toilet is flushed with sustainable rainwater. Next you have got this one, you see, can anybody believe? This is a water meter put for each shop in Singapore. Used water, they have to be billed. Okay, so that's the water meter. This is something interesting. Just now I was practicing that. I also practice always. Use used water bottle. Fill up. Don't buy the mineral water. I learned it from Swamiji. Okay? Yes. Even Bangalore has it. Okay, so get up and write to your shoulder, where are you going? There should be a difference between you and the stone and the trees that came into existence. Leave some mark behind. So this attempt is to give us the not price of things but value of things about water. Okay? We remind ourselves we remain unique. The nature can teach us. Therefore, we use less, save more, and we advocate always. And this will be my last video, powerful video is there. Half a minute, I'll finish.